Welcome once again for our weekly market outlook and recap. Like we normally do, we look at the DXY, look at the pounds USD, we look at the EURUSD, we look at Nasdaq, we look at the S&P 500, we look at US30. Last but not the least, we look at gold. Guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. All right, let's dive into the charts. We see what we have in our chart today. Yeah, we'll be starting with DXY. This is the last trading month of the year, and we will be very careful going to this month. Yeah, this month had just ended. Initially, from these weeks, from the high to the low. So I was initially expecting that these months can hit this 50% of this week, but we didn't get that, and we see we are using the lower part. We are expecting the lower part. Mind you, we have already taken out this candle, this August high. We have taken out the August high, and this 3 months fair value gap. So price is still respecting that. Then we go to our normal weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, I don't know what you see here, but on a weekly time frame, okay, we just tap into this November 3rd high. We tap into here, tap this liquidity here, and we fail to touch this 50% of that week. So as it stands, if price is failing to make higher, like this this our week retracement levels, if price is failing to make the higher and using the upper quadrant to stop price, so I will kind of be looking for the downside of price, looking for price to make lower. We have two confluence here now. First is this 3 months, and secondly this monthly weeks that failed to touch the 50% of the weeks. So we have two confluence that is in our favor to push price down. Then we head to daily time frame. Yeah, you can see my analysis, my expectations. So I was expecting this go like this, then we touch this 50%, but we didn't get that. So as it stands right now on daily time frame, as it stands on daily time frame, what are you seeing here? The recent price action here is price tap into here, reject that immediately, drop inside this fair value gap, this daily fair value gap. Okay, price is using this fair value gap as a resistance now, so to say. So I will expect, if we are expecting a lower prices, so this liquidity will be our target. All this liquidity, all of them. So we will definitely be targeting these liquidities here. All right. So if price give us something like this, okay, yeah, this will be a perfect entry. But the way I'm seeing it now, this might be a quick cap or something. We can still use this thing. Sell from this way on a lower time frame, then target this, then wait for this bigger obvious structure, then we target all this. So that is two scenario that we likely be happening in price. Then we head to euro. We start from monthly that just ended. Okay, on a monthly time frame, what do we see? What do we see on a monthly time frame? Or can we check 3 months? On a monthly time frame, loans just ended. Not quite long. Honestly, on a monthly time frame, the price are read on this range, and to be frank with you, this is not like not a clear price actually you will want to see on the monthly time frame. But let's see what will happen. Then we head to weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, price had to take out this November 3rd low. But if you go to our DXY, that is our dollar index, price actually took this November 3rd high on a DXY. But on Euro USD, price could not take this November 3rd low, so signifying a something you call SMT. So there is a crack right now, and that shows that probably something is about to happen. We may likely get a reversal to push higher. So, and that also shows that Euro USD kind of going to be stronger to work with. So as it stands right now, I will be bullish on Euro USD. Then it heads to daily time frame. Okay, on a daily time frame, all these trend lines, not this trend line, will definitely be our liquidity to targets, all of them. So expect price to take out this. Okay, that will be charts on that. So I expect price to keep on pushing high. Take out this high. Then I will head to where? I will head to pounds. On pounds, oh my, you go to monthly time frame. Yeah, we have a nice price action. If you remember, this is a 3 months order block. Okay, yeah, from the high to low of this down candle. So prices, and the beautiful thing, we just tap into this this 3 months fair value gap here. So we tap into this 3 month fair value gap. Okay, that shows price moving in our favor. Then on a monthly time frame, see, we have this fair value gap here. So price is still respecting this fair value gap. We tap into it, then we repass up, and this is the upper quadrant of that 3 months fair value gap. So we expect price to keep pushing high. What else we have here on a monthly time frame? We'll be mindful of this fair value gap here. So if we want to push higher, I will want a situation that price will use this as a support to keep pushing high. And if we will not use it, if we can't use that to push high, then price might reverse from this level, might reverse from here, go down. But I would want price to use this as a support to go high. Then we head to daily time frame. On a weekly time frame, so to say, we see here previous week prices inside this monthly fair value gap. Then this week we just close above it from the previous close price, open above the close price, then we push high. Then on daily time frame, we should be still expecting price to keep making high. We can use this fair value gap, okay, because as you can see that all of this has been balanced. So we can use this fair value gap to push price high, like what we saw on pounds euro USD. So we will be expecting all of these high to be taken out, all of them. So that will be all for that on pounds USD. Then we head to Nasdaq, our favorite monthly time frame. You could agree with me, we just on this monthly time frame, we just came back here just to tap into this fair value gap. Okay, there you see the real price just reverse back. Then we head to daily time, weekly time frame. We have closed a bullish order block here. So I will be expecting price to make an all-time high. That is number one. On weekly, I will expect price to make an all-time high. Then on daily, I will still be expecting price to keep at least have this beautiful liquidity here. See this? I like this liquidity here. I will expect price to take that as, see this very nice liquidity here, like it's. I want price to take that out, this liquidity. Okay, so I want price to take this liquidity out of our funds. Probably make all-time high. Well, we will be feeling brick by brick. Then we head to S&P 500. S&P 500, decent to still be okay. We also tap this fair value gap here. So see the same play pattern, weekly time frame, bullish order block. So we expect a new high to be created. Yeah, we'll be expecting a new high. Then we head to US30. US30 on a monthly time frame. On this page, I think in all these three indices, this is the one that failed to take out the um the October low. While S&P NASDAQ, they took out this so about this failed to take out October low, and it has already made all-time high. This was why US30, US500, that is the S&P 500, and NASDAQ had failed to do that. So this shows that this is a stronger one. On a weekly time frame, the same play. So we want to create a new all-time high on a mini gap down. We want to create a new all-time high. Then gold, gold, we predicted this week that we will want to see a new high be created, and this month we end this month on a bullish candle. Then we keep expecting that new all-time high be formed on a weekly time frame. Like we predicted this week, we expect price to push higher. Then I think the first take profit will be this weekly rejection. This should be weekly rejection. So the first target is here. Then the next one is when all-time high is being created. Then on daily time frame, we still keep expecting push high. As it is now, that will be all for now. If you have not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. That will be all for now. Stay smart and be safe. This is the last month of trading. Bear that in mind and be very nimble in your trading.